Hey guys, so on my 2011 4runner, my gear indicator light was not working. Just real quick on easy replacement. This just screws off. This just comes out. This you can just pop up and out. Move it over the shifter. Put it off to the side. There's 4 little clips that hold this top piece on. I'll try and do this one-handed. Alright, so there's 4 little clips on this part. 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 right there. This just comes off, and this bulb just comes right out. It's a little tiny guy. And the number is 2723. And super easy to replace. Looks like somebody had spilled something down here before we bought it and burnt the light out. Luckily just burnt the light out, not anything else. So all this just pops back in. That's it. So just in case anybody else has that issue, this not lighting up, just quick easy way for everybody to change that bulb out.